It is very important that we emphasize to you that our program is not a vegan or plant-based program. You may have heard these words, and while we do talk about increasing certain foods, we do not suggest absolutism or all or nothing approaches. This is not our aim. This is not a vegan program or a plant-based diet program. These words are loaded with extra meaning. They suggest you are a particular type of person, or that you should become or be something else. This is not necessary for success. Our approach is not absolute. It's not all or nothing. We just aim to teach you which foods are healthy and help you lose weight, and which foods don't help with weight loss. Here is an example of why the word plant-based is such a problem. Here is a plant-based Whopper burger from Burger King. This is not a health food. This will not help with weight loss. Our approach is rebalancing. As we showed you earlier, this picture is the healthy plate of food for Canadians. It is mostly healthy, starchy foods, vegetables, and fruits. But it is not a vegan plate of food. If you understand foods and how they affect your health and your weight, you can see success. This is not about labels. This is about foods. These words, vegan and plant-based, just get in the way. One important reason these foods are a problem is that these are marketing terms for junk foods. Many vegan or plant-based snacks, products, and desserts, just like the non-vegan or non-plant-based versions, these are just junk foods that cause weight gain. Plant-based or vegan meats and sausages, these are mostly fat calories. They're loaded with junk. And there are treats, vegan or plant-based treats, that are mostly just fat plus sugar. There's vegan spreads, cheeses, and butters. These are all fat. These foods worsen your health. Just being a plant-based product or vegan product does not make it healthy, and these terms are best left behind. It's better to focus on healthy foods, not labels. Another reason these words are a problem is they suggest being entirely one way or the other. This is not necessary. You do not need to change who you are. Absolutely not. These words and these labels can create situations where you are one thing. You're a vegan or a plant-based person, while everyone else is an omnivore or animal-based. This is not productive. This is best avoided. These kinds of labels can create social barriers in your relationships. They create problems. You'll draw the attention of others. They will think you're judging them, and in many cases they are also judging you and making assumptions about the type of person you are when you use these labels. You need to enjoy your life, enjoy social events. There is room for everything. This is just about getting the right balance. A final reason these words are a problem is they suggest political affiliations and values and ethics. This complicates things. This is not what diet is about. Let's avoid that. This is about foods, not labels. Your only goal is to increase and try to maximize the best foods for your health. Lots of healthy, starchy foods, vegetables, and fruits. Foods with plenty of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Foods that can allow you to get control of your health and weight. And if people ask what you are doing with your diet to see success, you might simply say, I eat a healthy, balanced diet. I've learned what that is. Or you can say, I eat enough fiber and healthy foods to stay healthy. Or even, I eat a diet that's recommended for good health. Forget the labels. Talk about the foods. You may have the opportunity to teach others about how they can also see success. Talking about just the foods.